Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we will make a very quick and simple full meal. For that I have taken about 400 grams of cabbage and one chow chow. We are going to make a kootu out of the chow chow. For that I have taken 50 grams of moong dal. Wash the dal and add it to 1 cup of boiling water. I am going to cook it directly, so I am adding it in the hot water. If you are using a pressure cooker, you can add the dal, cut chow chow, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook it for 2 whistles. I have cut the chow chow to small pieces. When the dal is half cooked, I am adding the chow chow. By adding the chow chow, when the dal is half cooked, it will cook well and the dal will also mash well. Mix well, and in 5 minutes the chow chow will be half cooked. So at this time add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Check for water and let it boil. Now to make the cabbage, I have taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 green chilli. I placed a kadai on the stove, and when the kadai is hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin and curry leaves. When the cumin and mustard splatter and the urad dal is brown in color and the curry leaves are fried well, add the cut cabbage to the kadai and mix well. Keep the flame on medium, otherwise the color of the cabbage will change. Now add 3/4 teaspoon of salt for the cabbage. You may add salt as per your taste. I have cut the green chilli into small pieces and added the green chilli to the cabbage. Now mix well and cover it. Leave it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the cabbage will be a little soft and the raw smell will be gone. Now add 1 medium size onion cut to small pieces. Adding the onion at this time will give very good taste and flavor to the cabbage. Now for the chow chow kootu, I have taken about 2 tablespoons of grated coconut in a mixie. Added half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I have added 1 red chilli. If you need more spiciness, you may add 1 more red chilli to it. I have added 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Now grind this to a fine paste. Check the chow chow, it will be well cooked and the dal will also be well cooked. Now you can add the ground coconut mixture to this. Mix well and let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes after adding the coconut. Now the cabbage will be well cooked. Add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix well and switch off the stove. Making the cabbage like this will be very tasty. It is very quick and very tasty. The kootu is also done. Season it with mustard seeds, urad dal and curry leaves. Now for the quick rasam, I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of Toor dal, 1 red chilli, about half a teaspoon of Fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn and 1 Kashmiri red chilli for color. I have taken half a lemon size of tamarind. I am going to fry the tamarind also along with the other spices and make a powder of it. I have taken 1 sprig of curry leaves. Now fry all the spices together till it is very aromatic and the dal turns golden in color. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. There is no need to fry the cumin seeds, and make a powder of it. Now add 1 tumbler of water to a pot, and when the water is hot, add 1 tomato to it and cook it for 5 minutes. When the tomato will be soft and well done, when you mash it with a ladle, the skin will come out. So discard the skin and mash the tomato and keep it aside. It will be very tasty in the rasam, and it will give very good color also for the rasam. Now take the mashed tomato and take about 2 glasses of water. When the water is boiling, add the tomato to it, let it boil for a couple of minutes, then add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and let it boil for another couple of minutes. The powder that we have made for the instant rasam is ready. This will be very aromatic and very tasty. You may make it in large quantities and keep it so that you can make rasam instantly whenever you need it. Now add the powdered spices to the water and add about half a glass of water to the mixie. Wash it and just let it have 2 rolling boils, and the rasam is done. Season it with mustard and coriander leaves. This rasam will be very tasty, very aromatic. The kootu will be very tasty, and the cabbage cooked this way is also very tasty. So this is a very good combination of full meals. This will be very tasty and very satisfying. So I am sure everyone are going to try it. Add ghee to rice and add the kootu with it. It will be very tasty. Sure, everyone are going to make this, enjoy it, and comment without fail. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option, and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. I am sure everyone are going to enjoy it and comment. Let's meet in the next video.